All right, so this is something crazy I'm about to check out here. This is Google AI Studio. Now, this is a major platform. What I'm liking about it so far is that I haven't even started using it yet. I'm actually just finding this, so we're going to be actually taking a view at it right now live as I'm looking through it right now. So let's take a look here. From what I'm seeing, this is crazy though. Google AI Studio. From what I could see, you could chat with the actual Gemini, right? You could chat with Gemini and it'll get to working for you. Let's see what it's going to give. Let's see. Identify correct things, create a detailed description. Let's get it to do some coding. All right, so what do we want to code? Let's code in a JavaScript, actually. Code. Oh, let's do this. Let's create a library of JavaScript codes that can be added onto go high level. And then let's give it how many? All right, I want to do 10 to add 2. All right, run prompt, and let's take a look. We're gonna learn and see right now. So from what I can see right now, I have 1 million tokens. Right now it has different modes. It's thinking. I could switch the thinking mode on. Then you could set a thinking budget. I'm on. Okay, we go. So how to use these scripts and go high level. For each animation, you'll have a CSS part and a JavaScript part. Add the CSS in the go high level. Page builder, go to settings, custom CSS, paste the code. This applies to the entire page. And then add in the JavaScript in the go high level page builder. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'll go to the tracking, add a footer tracking, and then paste the JavaScript wherever I want. Yeah, let's definitely get to it. Let's take a look what has been generated. So this is a fade in on scroll animation. What else we have? Slide in from left to right scroll. Okay. Number counter animation. Oh, that's nice. And then of course you can go in here and customize these codes. Let's see. Now this is popular. This typewriter effect, that's crazy. Let me show you why. I'm gonna go to the site. And this was literally how I added this feature to our website, right? This feature is not included, right? There it is. And that's just one animation, right? And then, of course, you can customize the message. So that's where you'll get to being able to create value for your websites that you build, right? So that's just one effect. So I'm going to try a couple of these, actually. This is the posting button, call to action button. So that's already in there. 3D tilt effect on hover. I'm gonna have to try that one out. Let me see. Gentle float animation. Oh, that's tight. Now that's tight right there. I'm gonna definitely try this one out. Let me see. Okay. You could even do the images, and then of course, let me see if they let you. So anyway, let's check out the live audio. Oh. All right, this is what I want. Here we go. Read out loud in a warm tone. Jeez. Let's give it a script. So I'm gonna pull over my handy dandy script writer. Here we go. ChatGPT is gonna give us a perfect script for it to say. So this is gonna be crazy. Craziest. So I'm having ChatGPT make a script. Oh shit. This is even crazier than. Can I do it like that? Give me. This is gonna be crazy. If this is what I'm thinking, this is gonna be a crazy platform here, right? So I could spell, conversation piece labeled, labeled speaker 2. I'm gonna add some funny shit to it though. Make it funny. Talking. All right, ChatGPT is now gonna give us our perfect script, and we're gonna paste that inside of Google AI Studio. So let's check this out. This is, I'm not gonna even read it. I just want to listen to it. Let's just see. I'm not reading it. Don't you read it. If you read it, shame on you. All right. Warm and tone. All right, that's cool. All right, so paste that. Oh shit. Oh my god. Dog, if this is what I'm, oh boy. Oh boy. Just watch this shit. This live with me. Watch this shit. Here we go. Oh shit. I'm gonna cut the music off on this part. Cause if this is gonna do what I'm thinking, y'all get ready for some crazy content. Alright? Content from all around the world is about to hit. Oh shit. And this is just one tool. And if this mother start reading this shit, man, that's gonna be so crazy. And I think it is, man. Hopefully, look. Will it? Alright, maybe not. I got my hopes up too down. Alright, so, and obviously.
Bro.
Oh shit!
Messed around? Dude, I think I fell in
Yo!
love. I opened that thing and was like, am I coding right now? Or summoning a digital genie?
Right? It's like ChatGPT had a baby
Whoa.
with and fed it steroids.
Shit, y'all. Did y'all? That shit came out of no. Look at that. Y'all.
Bro, have you messed around with Google AI Studio yet?
Messed around? Dude, I think I fell in love. I opened that thing and was like, am I coding right now? Or summoning a digital genie?
Right? It's like ChatGPT had a baby with Google Docs and fed it steroids and clean design. I just typed a prompt, hit run, and boom, AI magic. Felt like Tony Stark with a Chromebook.
Bro, I was building AI chatbots like I was cookies.
Yo.
No code, just
And this the
vibes.
default
No
voices.
talking
Just
like,
and
sir,
I didn't
are
even
you
read this shit.
qualified
This
for
is crazy.
You don't need to be. That's the whole point. AI
This
Studio
is
is like Google saying, hey, want to feel like a genius without actually studying?
And the export to code button, say less. I hit that thing and suddenly I'm a software engineer in the Matrix. I felt like Keanu Reeves with Wi-Fi.
Yo, in testing prompts side by side, I was comparing outputs like it was a rap battle. Gemini 1, Gemini 1, get the better bars.
Dead. And don't even get me started on how smooth it runs. Google sprinkled some AI fairy dust on this thing, zero lag, full flex, boss mode.
Honestly, if Google AI Studio was a person, I'd put a ring on it. It's that useful. Build ideas, test them, remix them, and drop them into your app like AI confetti.
Facts. Google AI Studio isn't just a tool, it's a lifestyle. 1 minute you're messing with prompts, the next you're launching a startup out of your mom's basement.
LMAO, sign me up. From broke to bot builder using nothing but Google and a dream.
Oh shit. Yo, if that didn't just blow your mind, you need to rewatch that. If that did not just blow your mind, you damn sure to go back and rewind the last 2 minutes. Cause that shit is crazy. That is mind boggling. Alright? That was without me even doing anything. I ain't even doing, I just, come on, again. And man, just think of the possibilities of that. You think, look at this, right? They have all of these voices.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Yo.
What do you want to explore?
And you could go in here, yo.
What kind of problem could we solve? What idea do you want to bring to life?
Come on, man.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Get out of here.
Got a project in mind?
Man, get out of here. That's crazy. This the native image generator. And of course, I'm gonna go right back to ChatGPT. Let's get us some prompts. Image to image prompts. So crazy, like action movie, all genres with extreme crazy detail. All right. Ooh, I'm gonna try that first one. Let me see here. Intergalactic gladiator battle on a floating asteroid. Damn. The mafia robbing a time bank. Damn. Ooh, with the zombies though. Zombie pirates surfing on a damn tsunami while fighting Sky ninjas. Now that's some crazy shit. Damn, now that's crazy too. Which of these would y'all choose? And actually, I want to actually see what you choose, and you send the link back to this bad boy. Comment your link. I'm going to tell you which one was better. All right, I'm going to go with the first one, though, because there's something about a cyber goddamn samurai that sound crazy as hell to me. So let's see. I'm not going to even look at the whole prompt. Let's go. Damn, that shit was fast as hell. Did y'all see how fast that shit was? 4.5 seconds. Yo, that matter of fact, I may have to use that for the thumbnail, bro. That look crazy. Like, what is it? Yo, that's crazy. Now let me do this. Let's try another one. Actually, let me just try another one. Make them hyper realistic. Oh boy, here we go. All right, I'm gonna try that samurai one again because I gotta see that shit. Let me see what that one looks like. Nah, I don't like it. Let's try another one. And this is their image generator, of course. Let me try one more and see if I can find. I kind of want this here. The Mafia Mercats, man. Let me see here. And it generates them super fast. Yeah, look at. But nah, I don't like their image generator, honestly. I mean, maybe it's that it'll do extra, but or I'm not putting the right prompts in. But I mean, it's great. And they have even better ones than this. I mean, maybe I'm using the right prompt possibly. But there's really good image generators out there if y'all don't know about them. We'll get into that in another video. Alright, but let's go to the last tool here. Live audio to audio dialogue. I think that's the one we just did, ain't it? Wait a minute, what? Wait a minute. Live audio to audio dialogue. Try Gemini's natural real-time dialogue with audio and video inputs. Nah. Hell they talking about? Wait, what? Hello?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Oh, what can you do?
I can help you with various things, like answering questions, providing information, or generating text. What would you like to do?
Can I hook you up to an API with a knowledge base?
I understand you're asking about connecting me to an API with a knowledge base. Yes, it's possible to integrate me with APIs to access and utilize knowledge bases. That can allow me to provide more accurate and comprehensive answers.
Damn. So what can you do with the video side?
Based on what I can see in the video, I can potentially describe the scene, identify objects, or even answer questions about what's happening. What would you like to know about the video?
Not much. You a bad mofo.
I cannot respond to that language.
Oh,
Is
my bad.
no problem at all. How can I assist you?
Ah, that'll be it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Feel free to ask if you have more questions.
That did not just blow your fucking mind again. You need to go back and watch that last 2 minutes. Google AI Studios coming up with some crazy shit, man. Alright? If you are not seeing this, you need to rewind the entire damn video. Alright? Because this is insane. Alright? That just blew my mind. The main thing that it is the low. Okay, a lot of these platforms have so much latency to where it doesn't matter, right? And there's certain ones that don't, but this has been the fastest I've seen. That's been the fastest I've seen, the clearest, and guys, you have access to this through an API. So these are some of the major tools that Google has just put out through Google AI Studio.